Good to see you on Saya Resum, where every gadget tells a story, and every review uncovers the facts. Today, we'll peel back the marketing gloss to reveal what really matters. Today we're taking a look at one of the most unique gaming keyboards released recently. The Corsair Galleon 100 SD. This is not just another mechanical keyboard. It's a hybrid device that combines a TKL gaming keyboard, a built-in Stream Deck, and a large 5-inch LCD display all in one package. Corsair named this keyboard Galleon, inspired by the famous wooden warships used by European empires in the 16th century. These ships helped nations like Spain, England, France, and Portugal dominate global trade routes and territories. In a similar way, Corsair designed this keyboard to help gamers and creators conquer their digital battles with powerful controls and advanced customization. Let's start with the unboxing experience. Right away, the box is surprisingly huge and quite heavy. Even for someone used to mechanical keyboards, the packaging feels oversized. Corsair sticks with its classic black and yellow color scheme, giving the box a premium and modern look that instantly stands out. When you open it, the keyboard is covered by a mysterious black velvet cloth, which adds a nice premium touch. On top of the cloth, you'll find two documents: the user manual and product information guide. Once you remove the cloth, the star of the show finally appears: the Corsair Galleon 100 SD itself. Inside the box, you'll also find two USB-A to USB-C cables and a magnetic wrist rest with a soft foam cushion wrapped in smooth leather for added comfort during long gaming sessions. Now let's talk about the design. The easiest way to describe the Galleon 100 SD is to imagine a combination of the Corsair K70 Pro TKL and a Stream Deck. Then add a 5-inch color display and two multifunction control dials on the top right corner. One major upgrade compared to many Corsair keyboards is the frame. Instead of using a plastic chassis with a metal plate, the Galleon 100 SD features a solid CNC machined aluminum frame, which immediately makes the keyboard feel much more premium and durable. In terms of size and weight, this keyboard is massive. It measures about 17.7 inches long and weighs roughly 3.1 pounds. Even experienced mechanical keyboard users might be surprised by how large it is. It takes up a noticeable amount of desk space, so this is definitely a keyboard designed for a permanent desk setup. Despite the name 100, the keyboard actually has around 87 to 88 keys, following the classic TKL layout, meaning there's no numeric keypad. However, on the right side you'll find the 12-button Stream Deck cluster and the 5-inch LCD display, which dramatically expands what the keyboard can do. The bottom of the keyboard also stands out. It features a bold mechanical design with Corsair's sail logo, placed inside a circular metal frame, with intricate grooves and cuts, giving the keyboard a very industrial and aggressive aesthetic. On the back, there are three USB-C ports with different icons. One is dedicated to the keyboard connection, while the others handle data transmission.